G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm still on my search for the best fish and chips, and today it's brought me to the Tweed River. I've got right here Tweed River Seafoods. Let's go and try their fish and chips, see how good it is. Let's do it. Alright, well, I decided to come down the beautiful Tweed River to eat this fish and chips, so let's suss it out. Now, FYI, the Tweed River fish and chips has got a 4.3 Google star rating. And this fish and chips cost me $13. And today, it was a special. I got the mackerel. Oh, dude. Have a look at this. Wow, that looks absolutely beautiful. A nice big piece of mackerel. Oh, holy mackerel. And look at these chips. Now I asked for chicken salt, and have a look at it. Alright, well, let's take a look at these chips. Oh man, look how much chicken salt's on them. There's heaps of it. Oh yeah. And they look so beautiful and crisp and cooked so nicely. Oh, yum. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. These are great chips. Just the colour of them is beautiful. They're so creamy, soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Oh, mate. Oh, dude. But let's check out this fish. Well, the battering looks really nice. And a nice big chunk of mackerel. Oh, yes. Love this stuff. Let's try this batter. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so nice. It's got a real lightness about it, yet a crunch about it as well. It's kind of like a donut, except with salt on it that tastes slightly like fish. It tastes good. Let's try some of this fish. Oh, mate, it's like a huge steak of it. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, yum. Mackerel. Wonder what this tastes like. Oh. It's got a really nice fish flavour. It's not particularly that strong, but the taste of it is really nice. It's moist, it's beautiful, it's tasty. It's like chewing a piece of steak too. A really nice piece of steak that just melts in your mouth. Wow. I cannot wait to dive on in. Oh man. It's got such a nice greasiness about it. The battering is so good. The fish is so tasty. Oh man. And just look how thick that piece of fish is, mate. It is huge. Oh, dude. Oh yeah. Man, that's just what I needed after a night I had last night. Oh, you don't want to know. Now it does come with some lemon here, so let's do the lemon test. Oh, wow. That tastes great with the lemon as well. Wow, what a nice fish and chips, gee. Tweed River. Over the border in New South Wales. They know how to do some fish and chips, I tell you. Oh, those chips are so good. The mackerel's great. Not only do I have birds hanging around, check out this little fella. Hey, little fella, what are you hanging around for? Some tucker? Well, bad luck, you're not getting any. Now, like I said, it was a 4.3 Google star rating for this fish and chip shop, but what would I give it? Well, I'll tell you what, this fish and chips, not only does it look amazing, these chips here, wow, they are delicious. That batter on the fish just is so nice. It's crunchy yet soft like donut. The fish inside was so beautiful and fresh, and it was a nice big chunk, beautiful clean white looking fish as well. So as far as fish and chips go, this was a really good one. And for that reason, I'm giving it 5 Grego stars. What a great fish and chips. It's really nice. You can come down the front here and, you know, eat it along the riverfront, and there's all these picnic tables, and mate, you can buy all this beautiful fish in there as well. It's heaps of fish. They sell heaps of stuff. And well, the birds are excited just as much as I am, I reckon. It's right up there with the best ones I've had so far. So if you are in the Tweed, head in to Tweed River Seafoods, and if you do go in there, tell them Greg sent you. They might even have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and watch some people fish and frolic around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I'm on the hunt for the best fish and chips. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food is pink and licking. Ooh yeah.